Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back, and I'm back with another update on my Honor 8X. And yes, don't think too much. You shouldn't, or maybe I don't know. This is not that type of channel, but yes, guys, I'm back. And first of all, I want to show you guys the update that I got. Now, this is not a Pi update, but I really like this update. It's a really cool update. Now, if you go to settings, and this is the update, let me give you guys a closer look. So you can see that they have actually added the 3D lighting effect, and most importantly, you get the AI support on the front camera, which is the key. I think I really like this one. Now I want to show you in a little bit detail how it actually works. So let's quickly open the camera, and when you open the camera you need to go to this portrait mode if you want to see the 3D lighting effect thing. And you can see a little circle in the middle, and once you click on this one you again see many options. Now all these options requires a face. You can see that it changes a little, shade changes a little bit, and in the last you get the stage lighting as well, which I'll show you. And let's quickly place this cover to show you. You can see the shade changing a little bit, but again it requires a face. Now many times it says like no face detected and all, and at the end you get the stage lighting, which I really like. And I have a couple of pics now. This is to just give you guys an idea of how this works. So on the right you can see the stage lighting, and completely dark because like with the name it says it's stage lighting, and it's pretty much like similar to iPhone 10 spotlight or what they call it. And similarly, when you open the front camera you get the same options. You go to portrait mode, you can select the 3D option right here and select the effect you want to. You also get the stage lighting effect on the front camera as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's move on to number 2. That is the AI effect. Now it was obviously there in the rear camera, but now you get this in the front camera as well. Let's quickly flip the camera, and you can see that AI in the front camera. And I have actually taken a couple of pics from this camera as well. So what it basically does, it is just kind of chooses the best settings for the particular scene. And yeah, that's how it works. So I want to show you some of the pics, as I said here, by side images. Now on the right you can see AI enabled, and on the left it's just normal shot. You can see the difference. And this is the next pic as well, so you can see AI enabled and disabled. So it's actually pretty cool. And one thing more, I'm not sure about this one, whether it was available or not earlier. Now if you go to photos and you open the front camera, you also get this option. If you go and look at the top, you're going to see this option of moving picture. Now I'm not sure if it was there or not, but now you do get the moving picture option if you open the front camera. So yeah guys, that pretty much wraps it up. This was the update I want to share with you guys, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And when I'll get the Pi update, I'll make a video on that as well. So yeah guys, like, subscribe, share, and as always, peace out.